Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to find a solution on how to view the three lines on Play Store. First, open up Play Store, then just know this that Play Store has been updated, and since the update, Google has replaced the three lines from the left side to the right side on our profile. So, to view all functions, just simply tap on the top right on your profile picture. As you can see from here, you can see all the options available. For example, to view and edit the list of your apps, simply tap on Manage Apps and Devices and tap here on Manage to view all of your applications. This is how you fix the three-line problem on Play Store. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.